Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is an A2-level grammar lesson. We're going to be talking about the simple forms of verbs, and we're starting with the verb to be. So we're going to meet Andrew. He says, I am 20 years old. I am British from London. I am a university student. My father is a doctor and my mother is a teacher. I am single. My best friend's name is Alex. I am not married. So with the verb to be, we have different forms. To be is an irregular verb, so the form changes depending on the subject. So I am, you are, he, she, or it is, we are, and they are. So this is the forms of to be in the simple present tense. We can also form a contraction with all of these. So I am can be shortened to I'm, you are to you're, he is to he's, she is to she's, it is shortens to it's, we are shortens to we're, and they are shortens to their. So now we want to make some statements about Julia. See if you can use the correct form of the verb to be. You can pause the video and try this on your own, and then restart when you're ready to see the answers. All right, so you could say she is or Julia is. Julia is 39 years old. She is an American from Boston. She is a doctor. She's married with 2 children, and her best friend's name is Christine. Now, we want to do the same thing for Sarah. So see if you can write some sentences about Sarah. Again, you can pause the video while you do this and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, Sarah is 6 years old. She is in grade 1. Her mother is Chinese. She's right-handed. And Sarah is Australian. All right, we often use to be with adjectives. So the subject plus to be plus the adjective and then the object if we have one. So she is a nice woman. He is a tall man. The movie is funny. The weather is cold. It is beautiful today. And they are loud. So now see if you can match the sentences with the pictures. So he is fast, goes with picture B. He is tall, picture A. And he is old, picture C. She is angry, picture B. She is young, picture C. And she is old, picture A. Right, so now you can try to make some sentences by matching the two halves. So the car is small. The boots are very dirty. The house is big. The boy is sick. The gorilla is a very strong animal. And the toy is white. So now, complete these sentences using a form of the verb to be. You can pause the video and try this on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, number 1 is already done. We are hungry because we went for a run. You are my best friend. The traffic is very bad today. The airport is busy today. The train is full every morning. He is a good hockey and football player. They are a nice family. The movie is sold out. The test is difficult. You should study. He is a nice man. He is kind and friendly. They are a big family. She has 5 brothers and sisters. This time, they want you to use the contracted form. The first one is done for you. They give you the subject they, and the contracted form would be they're very tired tonight. So again, try these on your own, write down your answers, and then restart the video when you're ready to check. So she's my best friend. We're excited about the party. Oops. They're going on vacation. He's my older brother. He's 5 years older than me. I'm at home tonight. You're so funny, you make me laugh. The car is very fast. It's one of the fastest in the world. My dog's 2 years old. We bought him 2 years ago. I'm a university professor. Now the pronoun it can replace a noun. So the train is at the station. It is very modern. So here the it is replacing the noun train. The car is nice. Thanks. It is new. So again, it is placing the car. The house is clean. Yes, we cleaned it today. Again, it is referring to the house. The weather is hot today. Yes, it is very hot, so it is referring to the weather. And it is a beautiful day. Yes, it is sunny and warm, so it refers to the day. So see if you can match the sentences with the pictures. So it is sunny today. Well, that would be picture C. It is raining today. It's picture B. And it is cold today. Picture A. It is modern and expensive. Well, that would be picture C. It is enormous and old. That would be picture A. And it is large and new. Picture B. Okay, so now you're going to use a form of the verb to be, either am, is, or are. So again, you can pause the video and try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. The show is funny. It always makes me laugh. I do not enjoy that class. It is very slow and boring. It is cold outside. Please put on your hat. It is rainy today. Take your umbrella. I am waiting for the train. It is late today. She is one of the best doctors in the city. It is an important day. It is her last day in the office. The TV is broken. Who can fix it? The book is interesting. It is the best book I have read in a long time. Now we're going to look at to be in the negative form. So for the negative, everything stays the same. We just add not after the form of to be. So I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, they are not. And contractions, there are two ways to make contractions. You can either contract the subject with the to be verb or the to be verb with the not. Now, that's not true for I. The only way that you can form the contraction in the negative is I'm not. There isn't a second way. But for all the others, there are two ways. So you were not or you aren't. He's not or he isn't. She's not. She isn't. It's not, it isn't, we're not, we aren't, they're not, they aren't. So all of these are the same in meaning, and it doesn't really matter which one you use. It's just a matter of whichever one you prefer. One is not more formal or more appropriate than the other. It's really just up to you. So, see if you can make some negative sentences using the verb to be. You can pause, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to continue. And these are just some possible answers. You might have different answers. So we could say something like, this car isn't old. And for picture B, the weather isn't sunny. It isn't warm. Here. The wind isn't calm. All right, now you're going to fill in the gaps to make a negative sentence using a form of the verb to be. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So he is not my friend. I do not know him. She is not very tall. Are you sure she can reach? Books are not interesting. I prefer my iPad. The TV is broken again. It is not a good brand. And the movie is not funny. I did not laugh at all. All right, so now we're going to do the same things, but this time you're going to use a contraction for the verb to be. Again, pause the video, try this on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check the answers. So here you could say, she isn't very tall, or she's not very tall. Are you sure she can reach? I don't know where my bag is. It's not on the shelf, or it isn't on the shelf. Take an umbrella. It isn't, oops, nice outside, or it's not nice outside. This is an old dress. It isn't new, or it's not new. All right, now you can make either a positive or a negative sentence. Again, you can try these on your own and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Right, so New York is in the United States. Gold jewelry isn't cheap. The Hobbit is a good movie. Football isn't my favorite sport. And it isn't windy today. So I answered these as they are true for me, but some of these might be different for you. If you didn't like The Hobbit, you might say it isn't a good movie. You might find football is your favorite sport, and it might be windy today wherever you are. So these three are kind of up to your own opinion. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.